Choosing the right camping stove can be frustrating. Weak flames, unstable stands, heavy designs, or poor wind resistance can ruin your outdoor cooking experience. That's why picking a powerful and portable stove matters. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best camping stoves for outdoor adventures. Strong, reliable, and perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or picnic trips. We researched product specs and real user feedback to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews.
Number 5. WESTTUNE IGT Gas Stove 4000 watts. The WESTTUNE IGT Gas Stove delivers up to 4,000 watts of strong firepower in a compact stainless steel design. Built for outdoor tables and camping setups, it provides stable heat output for boiling, frying, or grilling. Its durable body resists rust and handles high temperatures with ease. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry for camping or picnic trips. The powerful burner ensures fast cooking, while the sturdy frame keeps pots steady. A reliable choice for outdoor cooking with solid performance. Number 4. BRS Outdoor Bulin BRS 69A 6800 watt. The BRS 69A camping stove packs an impressive 6800 watts of high power, making it perfect for team trips and family camping. Designed for hiking, fishing, and picnics, it delivers rapid heating and strong flame control. Its compact folding structure makes it easy to transport, while the durable build ensures long-term outdoor use. The wide burner head improves heat distribution for efficient cooking. If you need fast boiling and reliable performance for group adventures, this stove is a great option. Number 3. 19800W 7-core high-power camping stove. This 7-core camping stove offers a massive 19,800W of firepower designed for serious outdoor cooking. With multiple flame outlets, it produces strong and even heat for large pots and quick meal prep. The windproof design improves efficiency in outdoor conditions, while electronic ignition ensures easy startup without matches. Portable yet powerful, it's ideal for camping, trekking, or group travel. If maximum heat and performance are your priority, this high-power gas burner stands out from the rest. Number 2. MOUNTAINHIKER Portable Wood Burning Stove. The MOUNTAINHIKER Wood Burning Stove is perfect for campers who prefer natural fuel sources. Made from durable stainless steel, it runs on firewood, making it eco-friendly and gas-free. Its square, stable structure supports cookware securely, while the open design improves airflow for efficient burning. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry for hiking or outdoor trips. Ideal for survival-style camping or remote locations, this stove offers dependable performance without needing gas canisters. Number 1. Portable Folding Cassette Gas Stove. This portable folding cassette gas stove combines lightweight design with high power for convenient outdoor cooking. Its windproof structure helps maintain strong flames even in breezy conditions. Easy ignition and simple gas cartridge installation make it beginner-friendly and travel-ready. The folding body saves space in backpacks, while the stable burner ensures safe cooking. Perfect for camping, picnics, and emergency use, this stove delivers excellent balance between portability, efficiency, and reliable performance. A dependable camping stove makes outdoor cooking easy and enjoyable. These 5 options offer strong firepower, portability, and reliable performance for camping, hiking, and picnics. Whether you prefer gas or wood burning, there's a perfect choice here. Which one would you take on your next adventure? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.